Hey Bob, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for speaking with me today and requesting your free video. So today we're going to go over a few tips that you can apply right away that's really going to help with your online presence and getting more leads. Now, it is important to note that nearly 70% of your organic leads are going to come from this website. So it is really important that your website be properly optimized so you can capture those leads. All right, so we are on your website. Got a good looking website. I like the click to call feature, making it super easy for your customers to contact you. I see a separate page for each of your major services, which is awesome. That's exactly what you want. But you do need to make sure that each of these pages have their own original content and are focused on their own keywords. Um, in looking at your information, I noticed that you're going after the exact same keywords on your page on multiple pages. And so you're actually running into something called keyword cannibalization, which is preventing you from actually being found for some of those keywords on those pages. So it is really important that each page focuses on their own keywords. Let's see, we have a little bit of content here. These buttons. Looks like these buttons don't actually go anywhere. So it's good they're here, I guess, but it would be even better if they actually landed on those pages when you clicked on them. And that's all we have here. So your home page needs to have a minimum of 1,500 words of content focused around your local buyer intent keywords for each of these services. Your local buyer intent keywords, those are the keywords people are actively searching for in your community for your services. They're less likely to care about your brand name than they are about the service that they need, especially in an emergency situation. So you're going to need to add additional content on this homepage and focus it around your services and your keywords. Um, and then you're going to want to modify the content on these additional pages, making sure that they're original content and that they each have their own keywords. Keep in mind there's a lot of variations of keywords that you can be using. And you want to capitalize on all of them because that's how you're going to capture all of um, that's how you're going to capture the people searching for your services. Not everybody searches the same way. So if you only use one type of keyword, you're missing out on all the other people searching for you. Now, the other thing is you want to have service area pages. So if you're servicing um, Salt Lake City and all the cities in Salt Lake County and some of those other areas, you definitely want to have separate pages. Any city that has search volume really needs to have their own page so you can be found organically for your services in each of those areas. Because Google has little robots that go and index these pages, looking for original content and keywords so they can index you, rank you, and put you in front of your customers when they're searching for your services. Now, if we look at your top competitor for water damage, we have Utah Disaster Team. They also have a nice looking site with the click to call features, separate pages for each of their services. They have a little bit of content here. These are interlinking to their service pages, which is important for your SEO. Not a whole lot for local keyword usage on this page. And then they also have all of these separate service area pages, which is allowing them to be found organically in these other communities. So you really want to do the same thing. Um, and in order to beat these guys, you're going to have to do better with content, more focus on keywords, and making sure you're not using the same keywords on all your pages. You want to avoid the keyword cannibalization that is affecting you right now. All right. And then support your website with SEO, because without it, your website's not going to be found online. Now, when we look here, you have a score of a 4.9 out of 100 in Google's trust flow, which means Google still doesn't really trust your website. It's 100% based on your backlinks and referring domains. Not all are created equal. This is like a popularity contest in Google. The more relevant they are to your business, the more power they're going to give you. And then you want to make sure that they do follow links so they share the power of the high ranking sites and help you to rank higher. And if we look here, you only have 36. And since Google only gives you credit for one backlink per referring domain, you only have 36 backlinks that are doing anything to help your website. You have been indexed for over 180 keywords, and you are getting about 85 people on average to your website, but that means you're missing out on a ton of potential traffic. Looking at your keywords, if we look here, you can see it's the same keywords on multiple pages, which is causing keyword cannibalization, so you're not actually showing up when you should for these keywords. And you're also not ranking for some of the higher valued keywords like water damage restoration. So you definitely need to work on your content and keyword strategy. If we look at your competitor, they have a poor rating of a 0.8 with only 100 backlinks and 29 referring domains. Only 11 of those are do follows. So you have to beat their 11 referring domains. They have only 131 keywords indexed, and they're only getting 37 people to their website. So they have a lot of work to do on their end as well, and they're going to be super easy for you to beat, but they are outranking you on those local buyer intent keywords. So in order to beat these guys, you need more and better quality do follow referring domains, and you need to be tying those to your keywords so that you can rank them. And then the last piece is this Google My Business section here. Your goals should be to be in the top 3 of this section, which you guys are for this search term. You do want to make sure that you're in the top 3 for your relevant keywords and service areas, because 30% of people search here and don't search anywhere else. So if you're not here for one of your keywords or service areas, then you send all those leads to your competition, and you're going to need to work on this page a little bit more. Now, in order to optimize and be in the top 3, the top factor are citations, and that's the name of your business, your address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a bunch of directories like Yelp and Yellow Pages. So you'll need more of those than your top competitor. And when you follow all of these tips I've provided you today, your website has the opportunity to be number 1 across Google for each of your services in all your service areas using those local buyer intent keywords correctly. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you found it helpful and would really love to get your feedback on it. If you have any questions, go ahead and give me a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.